So now I think what is remaining is to make use of, we have already done sign up, and this is actually after you click skip, then we have sign in, then we have text, and we only have two, so we can also add the sign in if you want. For now, you can also add it here. It was C, and instead of sign up, just a sign in, like that. The control S to save the changes. You can come here. This one we are going to deal with it with the external source, so don't worry about that. You can also control S, and I think now is good to test. So let's follow this big for a while and see what is going to happen. And it's saying this cannot be reached. So maybe there is something somewhere. Okay, this has already stopped. So let me run it again.